So my experience about these 4 days residential course is, I found the missing part in my life. The missing part was that there are modern medicines available in the market, but it is making us dependent on them, right? Without those medicines, we cannot live our life. That is what we believe. So here what I learned is that I don't need any medicines. I can be healthy without any medicines, and the knowledge which has given to me here is making me independent, and which is the most amazing part of the course, which I feel, because after this course I will not need any outer chemical support. My body will heal myself. I don't have to go here and there to search for my diseases or for any of the medicines. So this is what I have experienced here. I lost 2 kgs of my weight, which actually that was not my target, but this is what the results are. And about my mental state, I would like to say that if you want to grow spiritually, then your health has to support you, because without being healthy you cannot grow spiritually. I was never kind of a person who is very eager to earn lots of money, I can't say not socialize, but not a kind of a person who is in a normal, like normally people live. They would like to get ready and do lots of makeup, and they just want to go for lots of entertainment. I don't like lots of entertainment. Once in a while is okay. So I was always searching for some option for my body. So this is what I found. If my body is supporting me, I can also grow spiritually very well, and maybe the speed will be very high. And my thought process will definitely change, because my food is very alkaline. So I'm going to change my life. That's what I can say. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.